Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with Islamic accounts in Egypt. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. According to industry experts, the Middle East and North African region hold noteworthy potential for the Forex trading industry, Egypt in particular. Forex brokers who are active in the country must make an Islamic Forex trading account available to accommodate for Muslim traders. Traders who are searching for some of the best Forex brokers with Islamic accounts in Egypt can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with Islamic accounts in Egypt. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have InstaForex. InstaForex is a leading online CYSEC-regulated Forex broker that was founded in 2007. InstaForex is a global broker specializing in services and trading through Forex, shares, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and futures. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the InstaTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. InstaForex provides 2 main types of trading accounts, the Insta Standard account and the Insta Eureka account. There are 2 cent accounts, and these accounts offer an easy, risk-free way for new traders to learn how to trade and how to use the platforms. These cent accounts were also designed for traders who would like to test new strategies in a live market environment with real trades, but without the higher risks of larger deposits. InstaForex offers an entire dedicated section of the website to providing webinars, platform and trading tutorials, trading guides, and much more. Their training courses are designed specifically for beginners and first-time traders, and this course will help you understand technical and fundamental analysis, how to make forecasts of price changes, how to use MetaTrader 4, and how to trade. At number 4 on our list is FBS. FBS is a Forex and CFD broker which is authorized and regulated by the International Financial Services Commission of Belize and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Not only is FBS one of our top-rated, beginner-friendly brokers, but we also recommend trading with them if you are interested in using a cent account, trading cryptocurrencies, or copy trading. FBS has more than 23 million clients from over 150 countries, and they have won more than 30 international awards. With FBS, you can enjoy low-risk, low-cost trading on dozens of currency pairs, indices, stocks, metals, energies, and cryptocurrencies, and there are multiple account types and flexible payment methods to choose from. Featured platforms are available on the FBS Trader platform, as well as the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, which are supported on Windows and mobile applications. Their accounts are provided on Cent, Micro, Standard, Zero Spread, ECN, as well as Crypto and Pro accounts, with swap-free options available on the Cent account, Micro account, Standard account, Zero Spread account, and the ECN account. Each account offers different features and benefits respectively. A demo trading account is also available. FBS also provides their very own Forex analysis panels, informative market overviews, beginner, elementary, intermediate, and experienced Forex guides, a variety of video lessons that delve into various educational topics, from opening your account to the use of their platforms, as well as seminars, webinars, and an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational resources with FBS. Coming in at number 3, we have FXPro. FXPro is a multi-asset, fully regulated, online Forex and CFD broker that was founded in 2006 in the United Kingdom. This award-winning broker uses an order book execution engine and offers competitive trading conditions and ultra-fast, no-dealing desk execution with deep liquidity. As an FXPro client, you can choose from more than 2,100 tradable instruments to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of Forex pairs, precious metals, indices, shares, energies, and popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ether, Doge, and many more. FXPro provides all the tools, resources, and features you need to make informed decisions with your trades, and there are several different platforms that you can trade on when trading with this broker. Whether you are new to trading or an expert, FXPro provides beginner to advanced learning material, and beginners can practice using a risk-free demo account. More than 1.8 million people worldwide are currently trading on FXPro, and they have received more than 90 awards since launching in 2006. FXPro offers a total of 5 types of trading accounts, and also gives their clients the option to use demo accounts and swap-free accounts. The trading conditions of FXPro's accounts are designed according to the platforms they are used with, and most accounts allow hedging and use a no-dealing desk execution model. The FXPro MetaTrader 4 Instant offers fixed spreads with no commission fees and instant execution. All instruments except cryptocurrencies can be traded using this account on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. The FXPro MetaTrader 4 account also offers commission-free trading. However, it is a market execution account with tiered liquidity and floating spreads. This account can be used to trade all available instruments. The third account that you can use with MetaTrader 4 is the FXPro Platform account, which is also a market execution account. The CTrader account can be used to trade Forex, metals, indices, and energies. It is also a market execution account. This account also allows hedging and can be used on the CTrader platform. The last live trading account you can use with FXPro is the FXPro MetaTrader 5 account, which is also a market execution account with tiered liquidity and floating spreads. However, it allows netting by default, and hedging functionality must be requested. You can trade crypto 24/7 with this account, and it can only be used on MetaTrader 5. Both of their market execution accounts allow 24/7 cryptocurrency trading. Their platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as CTrader and the FXPro proprietary trading platform, which are all supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXPro provides educational resources for beginners and advanced traders, covering the topics of trading basics, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and trading psychology. These learning modules are divided into lessons. There are also videos you can watch to learn more about trading habits, currency pairs, and market players, for you to browse through at any time if you are searching for any additional educational content with FXPro. At number 2 on our list is XM. XM is a beginner-friendly Forex broker that was founded in 2009. They are regulated by 6 top-tier agencies, including the CYSEC, the ASIC, and the FCA, and currently has over 5 million clients worldwide. To start trading on the XM accounts, a minimum deposit of only $5 is required, and you can fund your account using one of 9 base currencies. XM gives you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of commodities, Forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, metals, shares, and energies. We recommend XM for all types of traders, whether you are a professional or only just beginning your trading career. XM provides 4 trading account types, which are featured on Standard, XM Ultra Low, Micro, a shares account, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. All accounts have negative balance protection, lower spreads, lower minimum deposits, and more. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and XM's proprietary mobile trading application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The XM Learning Center provides live education and plenty of educational videos, as well as Forex webinars and platform tutorials. You can also use XM for in-depth market overviews and market news. A variety of trading ideas, technical summaries, podcasts, and much more are also provided if you are searching for any additional educational material with XM. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the best Forex brokers with Islamic accounts in Egypt, we have HYCM. HYCM is a British Forex broker company that is based in London, founded in 2016 and has operational offices in Cyprus, as well as a presence in Hong Kong and Dubai. HYCM offers clients a variety of tradable market instruments, such as Forex, commodities, indices, energies, and more. HYCM offers the popular and well-known MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts include fixed, classic, and a raw account, with lower minimum deposits, lower leverage, and a variety of tradable base currency options. HYCM also provides a variety of educational tools, such as Forex education, webinars, seminars, as well as videos that cover topics such as the world of global trading, the management of your capital, the psychology of trading, and more. HYCM also offers beginner courses, tutorials, trading strategies, and ebooks, which cover classes on assets traded on the platform, for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading education with HYCM. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with Islamic accounts in Egypt on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.